welcome to another episode of Trackmaster Push Along Unboxings. Now, I wasn't expecting to make a video today, but my mom was shopping this morning and she saw this Neon Thomas on the shelves, and it was the last one, so she got it. So let's take a look at the box. Has a picture of Thomas in neon colors. I wonder how they're able to do that. Yeah. And it has neon around here, even around the logo. Oh, right here. So on the back there's nothing interesting. But with that out of the way, let's open it up. This is hard to get. There we go. Had to get some scissors to open that up. Okay, so here he is. So let's take a look. So has the dots and the pupils in the eyes. Yeah. And look at all those colors. We got green back wheels, an orange front wheels, and this purplish pinkish colored wheel. Yellow foot plate. And wait, what's this? Got black inside here. I didn't think that they would paint that in. Because they didn't do it on this Thomas, on the normal Thomas, or I'm on this Thomas either. So anyway, there's the number 1 on the cab roof, and black stripes and glitter in a sparkly smoke box and undercarriage and chassis. It's cool. But what's interesting is that they have wooden railway. They have the names at the bottom, just like wooden railway. The wooden railway Thomas engines. It's even the same font. It's interesting. Okay, so yeah, it does work on Trackmaster 2/motorized track. I'm pretty sure it works on Trackmaster Classic and Tomy Track 2. So, I guess that's it. For the Trackmaster Push Along. I'm still calling it Trackmaster Push Along Neon Thomas. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out my DeviantArt. And I'll see you in the next video.